Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you about how to log into your SparkSA online banking. So to learn, watch the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of our newest uploads. So to begin, open up any web browser you prefer. After opening up a web browser, type in SparkSA Bank Login in the URL bar. After typing in that, click on the first link provided. After clicking into the link, it will lead you to an official page of SparkSA Bank. Now, if you scroll down a bit, then you will see login name or legitimation ID. Now, if you scroll down a bit, then you will see a login box. Now, in the first box, type in your login name or your legitimation ID. After typing in that, in the second box, type in your PIN. Make sure the information you have given are correct. After typing in your login name and your PIN number, click on Login Securely. And after clicking on to Login Securely button, you will successfully log into the online banking of Sparkus. So this was the process of logging into Sparkus bank account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do leave a thumbs up and comment down any queries or suggestions. Stay tuned, we will be uploading similar kind of videos. But for now, thank you for watching.